Hey moneymakers! Today Pivot Online has got some surprise for you. We've got the inside scoop on two magical websites that could be your ticket to unlocking some serious cash just by watching ads. So if you got that spirit and desire to earn ridiculous amount of money, then pay close attention to this method that can earn you $2.82 for every ad watched. Let's get to it. The magical websites. First up, we've got Paid Work, a platform that promises to turn your spare time into cold, hard cash. This site offers a variety of money-making opportunities, from watching video ads and playing games to filling out surveys and tackling microtasks. What caught my eye is the claim that you can pocket anywhere from $5 to a whopping $10 for just 30 seconds of your time spent on a video ad. Now that's some serious coin, and it's not just a wild promise. The website boasts a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 stars, adding a layer of credibility to the potential green you could be raking in. But that's not all. Enter Grab Points, another player in the online money game. This platform too lets you cash in on your video watching skills, but it doesn't stop there. You can also earn through various offers and surveys, giving you multiple avenues to boost your earnings. What's even more impressive is Grab Points' Trustpilot rating, soaring above 4.5 stars. That high rating speaks volumes about the user satisfaction and the legitimacy of the earning potential this platform offers. As you embark on your money-making journey with these two magical websites, keep in mind that success often comes to those who seize the opportunities presented. While the claims of earning $5 or more for a 30-second video ad might sound too good to be true, the solid Trustpilot ratings add a layer of trustworthiness to the equation. So, are you ready to turn your spare time into a cash machine? Dive into Paid Work and Grab Points and let the dollars roll in. Paid Work Earning Mechanism. Alright, money enthusiasts, let's break down the earning method on Paid Work, your gateway to turning spare moments into a steady stream of cash. First things first, kickstart your money-making journey by registering on Paid Work using your email and a secure password. Once you're in, take a moment to complete your profile. It's not just about personalizing your experience, but a smart move to boost your earnings. Now let's talk about the meat of it all, earning those dollars. Paid Work opens up a world of possibilities, from watching video ads and playing games to filling out surveys and tackling microtasks. The claim that you can pocket up to $10 for a 30-second video ad is music to any moneymaker's ears. When it's time to reap the rewards of your efforts, Paid Work keeps things simple. You can withdraw your hard-earned cash through PayPal or straight into your bank account. It's that straightforward. Turn your time into money and cash out with ease. Grab Points Earning Mechanism. Next up, let's dive into the art of making money on Grab Points. This platform offers a straightforward approach to putting some extra cash in your pocket. First things first, you need to register on Grab Points to get the ball rolling. Once you're in, seize the opportunity to complete your profile. It's not just about personalization, it's a step toward maximizing your earnings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Grab Points lets you earn by watching video ads through partners like Loot TV and Hideout TV. The points you accumulate from these activities will be added to your Grab Points account, and the more you watch, the more you earn. But what good are earnings if you can't get your hands on them, right? Grab Points offers multiple withdrawal methods, so you can convert those points into real cash. It's a seamless process that ensures you can enjoy the fruits of your online efforts. But wait! Seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Referral Programs. What's that? Another money-making opportunity? Unlock an additional avenue to boost your earnings with the referral programs on both Paid Work and Grab Points. It's a win-win opportunity for you and those in your network. Here's the deal. Both platforms offer referral programs that can turn connections into cash. By referring others to join the money-making journey, you and the person you refer stand to earn a cool $10 each. That's right. A quick and easy way to fatten up your wallet. Picture this. You introduce a friend or family member to the world of Paid Work or Grab Points. And not only do they get in on the action, but both of you pocket $10 each. It's a simple and effective way to multiply your earnings while helping others discover the potential of online money-making. So, don't keep this money-making secret to yourself. Spread the word, refer your network, and let the dollars roll in. It's time to turn your connections into cash, making the referral program an exciting bonus on your journey to financial success with paid work and grab points. Bonus tip. Ready for a game-changing bonus tip? Brace yourself because we're about to kick your earnings into overdrive. Leveraging Reddit to promote your referral link can be the secret sauce to skyrocketing your referrals and unlocking a passive income goldmine. Here's the strategy. Take that referral link from paid work and strategically share it on relevant subreddits. Engage with the community, share your success story, and watch as the referrals start pouring in. Reddit is a massive platform with diverse communities, and tapping into the right ones can be a game changer. Now, here's the bold claim. Imagine if 30 people join through your referral link and withdraw earnings from paid work. The word on the street is that this could translate into a staggering $100 a day in passive income. Yes, you heard it right. $100 a day without breaking a sweat. Of course, success depends on how effectively you navigate the Reddit landscape. But with the right approach, you could be well on your way to turning this bonus tip into a substantial income stream. So, don't underestimate the power of Reddit. It might just be the key to unlocking your financial dreams. Get out there, share that link, and let the passive income roll in. Withdrawing that easy cash. The withdrawal process from online earning platforms like paid work and grab points is a crucial aspect that users often consider when engaging in such ventures. It provides a mechanism through which individuals can access the monetary rewards accrued from their activities on these platforms. Paid work. To initiate a withdrawal from paid work, users must first accumulate a minimum balance of $10 in their account. This threshold serves as the eligibility criterion for users to access their earnings. The video tutorial emphasizes that the withdrawal process from paid work is facilitated through popular financial platforms, namely PayPal and bank accounts. This dual optionality provides users with flexibility, catering to those who prefer the digital convenience of PayPal or those who opt for traditional banking channels. Grab points. Similarly, Grab Points, the second platform highlighted in the video, offers users multiple options for withdrawing their earnings. Notably, the video asserts that Grab Points accommodates users who may not have a PayPal account. This feature expands the inclusivity of the platform, recognizing that not all users may have access to or prefer PayPal. The variety of withdrawal options provided by Grab Points is advantageous, as it allows users to choose the method that aligns with their individual preferences and circumstances. Both platforms position the withdrawal process as a pivotal step in the user's journey, transforming virtual earnings into tangible real-world value. The availability of multiple withdrawal options contributes to the user-friendly nature of these platforms, enhancing the overall experience for individuals seeking to monetize their online activities. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.